This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. With winter coming, I want to talk to you about winterizing your car and getting it ready for winter time. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. First thing let's look at here is a radiator. You can go to the auto parts store and you can purchase a fluid tester. You just put it in your radiator, you suck it up, and it tells you whether it's bad or good. It's really self-explanatory. I'll also put a link down low in the bottom where you can know where to buy one. If you end up having to change the fluid in your radiator, make sure you read the specifications and put the one that it calls for. It's either going to be a 50-50 mixture or it's going to be the regular green type. And a lot of times it'll tell you here on the cap what's supposed to go in it. You want to get a good de-icer for your windshield washer reservoir. Alright, make sure that's full. Definitely want to look at your belts and your hoses to make sure they're good, because in super cold weather, a brittle hose will break. A dry rotted belt's going to snap, so you definitely want to make sure your hoses are good to go. The battery. Okay, batteries are notorious for cold weather just not wanting to start. They lose cranking amps the colder it gets outside. Make sure there's no corrosion around your battery on the terminals. Okay, and it's a good tester. If you don't have a tester, go to the auto parts store and you can have them test it, and they'll gladly test the battery for you for free. Moving on to the wipers. Make sure you pull each one up and you look at the rubber along the rubber here. Make sure it's not broken, frayed, or all pitted up. You want a nice clean wipe on that windshield when you turn them on. Make sure you check your flashers. This way, if you are stuck out in the bad weather somewhere, you know they're going to function correctly. Take a few minutes and look at all your tires. Make sure you've got good tread. Okay, good example is you have wear indicators in here. Okay, this is excellent tread on this tire here, but if you look inside here, you can see wear indicators on your tires. Okay, if they're down to the wear indicators, you definitely want to get a set of tires. You don't want to be out there in the snow and end up having tires go out on you, because you won't have any traction at all. And last thing is, don't forget to pack your emergency equipment. Just a few things you might want to put in there would be a flashlight, the batteries for a flashlight, a blanket, some jumper cables, some roadside flares, and maybe a few bottles of water to drink. And other than that, don't forget to winterize your car and be safe this winter.